Wait, can I move it?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Haley. What's up? I'm the top cracker, back at it again. We're back at it again. Yeah, my mom is over there. Over there. Yeah. Enjoy.
All right, Haley, welcome back. Give me an update. How did you feel after I adjusted you last time?
I felt fine. It felt better, I guess. I don't know.
How long did it last? An hour, a day, a week?
Probably a week and a half or something.
Okay, pretty good. More than a week with one adjustment. Really good results, especially with your first adjustment. All right, have you had any discomfort since then?
No.
Good. How's softball going so far?
It's going good. It's just preseason.
Not into throwing yet or swinging, or are you just working out? Is it just conditioning, or are you actually going through?
It's both. We're throwing and batting and stuff.
Okay, good. How's the arm feel? Shoulder? Everything good while you're throwing?
Yeah.
All right, good. How about after workouts, after practices? Any soreness, stiffness?
Right here hurts.
Okay.
Sometimes, but.
You're not pitching though, are you?
No.
What position are you?
Well, I can do everything except for pitching and catching.
Okay. All right, do you have anything else that happened since last time that you want to add that might be important?
No.
Have you cracked today?
Yeah.
Okay. How many times did you crack today?
I don't know.
All right, you ready to get adjusted?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what the spine says. Did you just come from practice?
Yeah.
All right. Is it tender?
Mm-hmm.
Tender?
Yeah.
Okay, let your shoulders relax just a little bit. There you go. Tender?
Yeah.
More on the left than the right? Okay, let me pick up your legs. Don't help me. There you go. Hip up just a little bit and down. Left hip up a little bit down. Okay, we're going to use the instrument first to start loosening up your spine. Okay, Haley?
Okay.
How's this feel down here? Is that tight?
A little bit.
we're gonna start with this one up here, nice and gentle. Okay, I'm gonna lower your headpiece down just a little bit. Okay, let your head relax. Epic click. There we go. Okay, now, in case you forgot, I'm just gonna follow your breath down like this, and at the end of your breath, we'll give a little push, okay? Okay, try to let your shoulders sink in here. There you go. Take a nice soft breath in and out. Good. Let this go, let it all sink. How's that pressure, okay?
Yeah.
Can you get that part of your spine to crack on your own?
I don't think.
That's a tough one to get on your own. Okay. Another soft breath in through your nose, all the way as far as you can go. Good. And let your shoulders relax. And breathe it out. Let it go. One more breath in and out. Sink in nice and relaxed. Good. Forward, like that. Good. Okay, breathe softly through your nose. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Good. Okay, nice, gentle here. Let this go. Good. All right. Here, lift up your head. Let me clear your hair here. Okay, now let that relax. All right, so we need to come over and do this side here second, but we're going to do the atlas first on the right. Okay, do you have any tenderness here?
A little bit.
Okay, try to let go. Let your head go. Let your shoulders relax. There you go. Just breathe softly. Let your feet go. Let your ankles go. There you go. Softly through your nose, just kind of sink in. Okay, do you feel this down here? Do you feel this like little bubble underneath my finger?
Yeah.
This is that C5, C6 on the left. This is the main place in your spine that really needs to get adjusted. This is the one that needs to stabilize. If this stabilizes, then you have far less cracking to be done on your own, far less self-cracking. This is the one really right here. So we're going to try to do this one nice and gentle, okay?
Okay.
Okay, kind of sink in here. Let your shoulders relax. Good. We're going to just bring this down here like this, nice and gentle. One more. Perfect. See how good that was?
Yeah.
No pain, right? Did that hurt at all?
No.
Okay. Okay, one on the right side now. Same thing. Now let your head drop into my hands. Let your head and shoulders. Good, just like that. Let it keep dropping. Breathe. Okay, do you remember this one where I kind of lift your head up like this? Oh, did you feel that right there?
Yeah.
Okay, that was good. Same thing. That was my elbow. Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm going to adjust your talus here, okay? Go ahead, look straight up. Good. Give this a little pull just like that. Good. One. Good. One more. Good. Did you feel that one clicking in there?
Yeah.
There we go. Whoa, it's like a whole different person when you sit like that. Okay, relax your shoulders there. Good. Okay, bring your chin to your chest and lean forward just slightly. We're gonna bring this up like this. I'm gonna reach around the front, hold on to your elbow. Good, loosey-goosey, let this go. Good. Okay, hold your pinky and your thumb together. Hold, don't let me pull it apart. Here, put your other arm down. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay, turn this over. Hold. Hold. Okay. A little bit harder that way?
Yeah.
Okay, let this relax. Look straight ahead. Good. Your elbow already cracked it in, didn't it?
Yeah. But I think it was the other one.
Oh. There we go. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Hold your pinky and thumb together. Hold. Hold. Sure? Sure it was this one?
I think.
Okay, squeeze. Pretty good. Okay, relax. Squeeze. 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 Good. Relax. Squeeze. Okay, relax. Squeeze. Relax. Squeeze. Good. Squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, good. Okay, if you like to crack your own spine, here are a couple of tips to follow to make sure that you're doing it safely.
Hold on.
Rule number 1.
If you're cracking your joints more than one time a day, it may be too much. Don't crack your joints out of habit.
But say it like you mean it, like you really don't want them to crack their joints.
Don't crack your joints out of habit.
Okay, rule number 2, the best time to crack is in the morning.
Why is it in the morning?
I'll tell you why, we're gonna get there. And before you crack anything, make sure you're hydrated. Drink 10 to 30 ounces of water before you do anything. How much water did you drink today?
I drank some from water fountain.
Slam it, kill
Ready?
it, whole thing. ASMR sipping.
Before you crack anything, make sure you're hydrated. Make sure you drink 10 to 30 ounces of water.
Go ahead, drink it up, drink the whole thing. It's really important to make sure that you're hydrated. Dehydration can be the primary reason why someone feels the need to crack their spine all the time. You want another one?
Sure.
Rule number 3, no pulling or pushing or violent stretching of your spine.
You can crack your spine with soft, gentle stretches.
Rule number 4, sometimes when you feel the need to crack your spine, if you feel like you need to crack something, it's really just your body trying to get you to sit up in good posture. So sometimes you don't actually need to crack anything, you just need to correct your posture.
So So sit up straight. Have fun cracking. Goodbye.